One of the big benefits of moving to a Power BI site is you can also leverage the power of the cloud to do things that you couldn't do on premises. When you think about the capabilities of your existing servers and services in your environment, they're obviously tasked with some mundane things, file services, print services. Maybe you even have some advanced SQL reporting baked into it. But what you don't have is the ability to scale up and down as necessary based on the workload that's attacking it. Microsoft has made a huge investment in data centers across the globe to give them that capacity to scale up and down as necessary. And one of the big benefits of that push to expand their capabilities has been natural language search capabilities. So once a data source is connected to a Power BI site, and that source could be an Excel workbook, it could be an on-premises SQL server, you name it. Regardless of where the source is, as long as it's tied into 365, once I start typing a question into the Q&A section, the actual natural language service on the back end will look at the question that I've asked and try to determine what specifically, in terms of a query, what kind of query am I trying to ask? It'll actually detect the type of words that I'm using and say, oh, you were looking for the number of gold medals by country in 2008. But the query that I'm going to suggest is show medal count and country where year is in 2008. Now that language, that syntax is something that I would never use. I would never use that very stilted SQL kind of query syntax. But by typing it in a regular way and it knowing how to interpret it, it can actually generate that data for me on the fly. And then, best of all, based on the underlying data sources, suggest the visualization for me. So if I'm looking at something that has geographical data, it'll show me in a map. If I'm looking for something that works best in a clustered column bar, it'll show that. If I'm looking for something that would be best represented by a pie chart, it'll show me that. It can choose how to show that. Now, you retain the ability to customize that, as you'll see, so you don't lose the ability to switch what types of visualizations it uses, but it gets smarter as you use it more.